Hello, my name is Teresa Kovlak, and today I am going to be showing you a quick demo on how I do my clouds. A lot of times at the market or at the shows that I'm doing, people always comment on my clouds and how different and unique they are. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. I'm going to be painting with some sailboat blue, mermaid, pool, and flamingo and sunshine. I'm painting this painting on a 6-inch tile. This is what you would use in your kitchen or bathroom, and this works perfect. So the theme that I'm looking for besides clouds is a beach scene. So I just sprinkle a little bit of each of my inks. And then I'm going to come in with a little bit of the blending solution. This is also made by Ranger. And I just give it a quick tip, kind of looking for the right clouds that I want. I'm just slightly tipping up my tile, tap it off, bring it back down. Put a little mermaid up there. A little sprinkle of blending solution. So if you ever look up at the clouds, they a lot of times have breaks in them, or they're breaking apart. Quick tap down. This again would be my horizon line right here, and I would bring my beach in. Now if I want to bring these clouds more over this way, I can do that too. And I'm going to put a quick sprinkle of the blending solution. So I'm basically putting the back clouds in first, coming back in and touching up the front clouds, depending on if I want a sunset. Now, if you don't like the white spots in here, if that bothers you too much, take your finger, rub it over, and just keep working your clouds. A lot of times I like to leave them in. I like the look of it. So that's one way of doing the clouds. I'm going to dry this real quick. This is the one way I do the clouds. The other way I'm going to show you on a gesso board. Gesso board is what you normally paint acrylics or oils on, but we're going to paint with the alcohol inks. So make sure your board is clean. And this one here, we'll go ahead and do kind of like a stormy night. We'll use two colors. We're going to use the stone wash and the denim. I find that works really good for a dark stormy night. And on this one, we're going to go ahead and put a good amount of the blending solution down. And then we're going to put some of the denim on. A little bit of the stone wash. And I only tip this one a tiny bit back and forth. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with my brush, make sure it's clean. And on this brush here, you can find this in the craft store. This one is used for acrylics. And I'm just moving my clouds around a little bit with my brush. I love watching the clouds in the sky. I don't know about you, but I just find them so beautiful. So I'm just tipping slightly, working in the different areas with my brush. And I'm just dipping into some alcohol, bringing it over, blending the ink a little bit. So this would be my horizon right here. Clouds come down to meet it. And I'm going to blow that off. Now, if you want bigger clouds, just take a little bigger brush, go in and break it up a little bit more. And there you have it, an easy way to do clouds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me, and have a great rest of your day.